In this video, let's cover what to read, because it's more important what you read than how fast you read. It's like the great management thinker Peter Drucker said, you need to know the difference between being effective and being efficient. Being efficient is doing something well, in this case, reading quickly. But being effective is knowing what to read and what not to read. There are really two things you need to think about when deciding what to read. The first, I want to show you by sharing another idea from Peter Drucker. Peter Drucker said in his book, The Effective Executive, that you can be truly world-class in only one or two things. So you need to decide what are the one or two areas that you want to be world-class in 10 or 20 years. The things that you can provide the most value to the world with and that provide the most value to your life. For example, Warren Buffett's an expert in investing. Donald Trump in real estate. Johnny Ive, Apple's head of design, in design. Tony Robbins in neuro-linguistic programming and psychology. Where does your talent meet your opportunity? Because at least half of your reading should be delving deep into these one or two things. It's like Brian Tracy said in his audio program, Psychology of Achievement. If you spend 3 years, 1 hour a day reading about a subject, that will make you an expert. If you spend 5 years reading about a subject every day, you'll be a national authority. And if you spend 7 years reading about a subject every day, you'll be an international authority. But the person who says, hey, I just want to be really good at everything is dispensable, is not adding the most value to the world because it's the specialist, the person who is truly world class in those things that's irreplaceable, gets paid the most, and produces the most value to the world. You don't want to do what most people do, which is read only about a wide range of topics. It's better to go deep than wide. Going deep should be at least 50% of your reading. The other half is learning all the big ideas. Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's right-hand man, recommends learning all the big ideas in all the big disciplines. He talks about the idea of holism, which is the idea that Aristotle summarized when he said the whole is different from the sum of its parts. Even though you want to specialize in one subject and go deep in it, you still want to know about all the other ideas and disciplines in life, because that will help you in that one thing and they'll build off each other. The good news is that since the really big ideas in every discipline contain most of the freight, since knowing just the few big ideas in whether it's accounting or investing or finance or psychology or US history are more important than all the smaller ideas combined, it's not hard to do. So to summarize, there are two big categories of books that you want to read. The first is those one or two things that you want to be world class in. And the second is learning about all the big ideas from the greatest minds in history. In the next video, we're going to go even more specific and talk about the 3 specific types of books you need to read.